Happy winter, everyone. Last year was pretty much a bust for me overall. Had an issue with my kayak, an issue with my truck, and the fish just didn't seem to want to bite for me. So while we're here, I figure that I should do a little bit of a repair that I've been putting off. So I have my Garcia Black Max. It's a nice little baitcaster, pretty budget friendly. And last year, the thumb bar broke off. So it took me many months to find a replacement. It's unbelievable how difficult it is to find parts these days. But I wanted to go through and get this replaced. And if anybody else has the same issue, hopefully this can help. So to start out, you have to remove the side cover where your brakes are. So in here, you have a bar that comes across the front of the spool, and it has two ridges. You pull on the left ridge, it's spring loaded. You're able to twist the side plate and pull it off. It's where your magnetized brakes are. And right here, you can simply remove the spool. Now, I'm being lazy, and I didn't disconnect the line from my rod, so try not to make a huge mess of all of it. So simply, you have your thumb bar that I ordered, and I can't remember the name of the store that I bought it from. But they were great to deal with, and they got it shipped out really quickly. It's yourself. I may not have the right size screwdriver, so I'll be right back. So the thumb bar itself, as I'm sure you can see, I've already removed. This is the new one right here. Direct replacement for the one that broke. It cracked all along the top. Very, very strangely. Cracked all the way across the top right there. But anyway, the only way to access the screw that holds the thumb bar on is to come through the front side of the reel. So, going very gently. And the goal is to back this tiny bolt out. Of course, my ridiculously large hands don't help with that. So it fits in right over that bar. Nice and even. And then we reverse the process. So before I fully put it all back together, I want to make sure that it's operational and doing everything that it's supposed to. All right, so we'll put the spool back. Put the side plate back on, click it into place. And there we are. At some point, if you guys would like to see a review of the Abu Garcia Black Max, this is the older edition. It's not the newest one. I don't know what they've changed, but I could do some research if everyone's interested in it. But there's the thumb bar replacement.